I forgot to say two things. Two things in particular. AirPods. Love them, hate them. Almost everyone has them, but maybe you don't, and that's why you're here. If you're looking for something sleek and unique, you can get these black AirPods for half the price. Want to see how good they are? Stick around. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to the NoirPods 2. They retail for $59.99, and if we shake them out of the box, these are one-to-one replicas of AirPods, but instead of the standard white that everyone else has, these are a nice matte black finish. When you actually pull these AirPods, NoirPods, out of the case, you will notice that yes, these are in fact one-to-one clones, but are they one-to-one clones in functionality? Well, that's where things get a little different. We have dealt with a number of AirPods and AirPods Pro, yeah, that's how you say it, AirPods Pro clones throughout our year as a YouTube channel. And these, I would say, are pretty on par with what we have dealt with before. They retail for $59.99, which in my opinion is a little high, but if you follow NoirPods on social media, you will find that they do release a lot of coupon codes to get you to buy this product. There is free 10-day shipping anywhere in the world, and these will show up at your door. What is included in this box? Well, your one-to-one replica that features 24 hours of battery life with the case, or so they say, and 5 hours of listening time on just the buds, or 3 hours of talk time. How good is the microphone for talk time? Well, we'll try that out with Jack in a bit. On the bottom of the case is a lightning port for charging. There is a small lightning cable included in. The case itself, I'd say, is pretty good construction. I judged the case solely on this, criteria, that criteria, On the back is the button for pairing. When you pair these, a pop-up will show up on your phone, just like with normal AirPods. In addition, you can see the battery life percentages for the case as well as the buds themselves. When putting the buds in my ears, they make a little dingy noise to say that they're going to be pairing. They pair, and then they do. Connectivity has been decent. There have been some quirks along the way, but overall I haven't run into any major problems with connectivity. One thing that I actually enjoy more about these standard AirPods than the ProPods clones are the touch functions, because they aren't super sensitive like the Pros that I've dealt with before. When I was in the gym working out with the AirPods Pro clones, aka ProPods, I would have it where it would hit the side of my face and start and stop my music randomly, which is oh so annoying. But these, I don't have that issue with. There is the same functionality for Hey Siri, which if I touch and hold, that would come up on my iPhone, and then I could control it by talking in, saying, "Hey Siri, can you get me to Quick Trip because I want to get some fried chicken?" And also there is supposed to be start and stop functionality with pulling these out of your ears, and they sense this and then the music stops. You're buying these because you want something that looks cool. The sound. We have to talk about the sound. I almost forgot. Very condensed. I'd compare it to the Palmu Slide Minis, which we reviewed previously. Not quite as good as the Palmu Slide Minis, but what you would expect from wireless earbuds that look like this in this price range. I'm most interested for the mic though, so right now we're gonna hop into our mic test with Jack.
Hello Jack, this is Dave coming to you live from my cellular device. I'm on the NoirPods 2. How are the microphones on these earphones?
I would describe them as okay. They don't sound special, but I'm able to understand you as long as you're speaking loudly.
This is what it's like if I'm talking in a conversational tone without being louder than I normally would be talking to someone in a range of 6 feet away from them.
Now that you have heard the mic test from Jack, there are a couple last things I have to say before we wrap up. These don't only connect with iPhones. You can connect them to any Bluetooth device. Additionally, you don't have to have both buds in at the same time to use them. You can use the buds independently. If you think these are the right AirPods, in black of course, a nice matte black finish, well, then go check them out at NoirPods.net via the link in the description below. Let us know if you think we should be reviewing some other earbuds on the market. We love doing earbuds. Why? Because you guys love watching earbuds, and, you know, everyone uses them. It's just very versatile product to review. If you think we should give these away, well, comment that down below too, and maybe, just like we have previously, but even simpler, we'll give these away. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like on it. If you have any questions about this product, also ask that in the comments. We want to be advocates for you. And last but not least, folks, we will catch you in the next one. As always, bird out. Two things in particular. You can rename these if you connect them to your iPhone, as well as they say they feature wireless charging. I don't have a wireless charger to try it out. Let us know. Comment section. See you later.